Hi, this is Theresa here at Firkins Chrysler Jeep Dodge Ram in Bradenton, Florida. Just took in this 2012, it's a Honda Accord EXL, and it's got a 3.5 V6 engine. This is a nice, pretty dark gray metallic in color, nice alloy wheels. Inside you'll notice it does have light tan leather interior. Power windows, power locks, power fold-in mirrors, two-way memory seats. It does have voice recognition, Bluetooth, radio controls on the front of the steering wheel with cruise control. This vehicle only has 52,151 miles. It does have the nice large screen for navigation and a backup camera. So your air conditioning controls. It is an automatic, and it does have the very nice tan leather interior with power seats. In the back it does have seating for 3, and it's got the nice cup holders that pull down in the center. It does have a large sunroof. If you would like more information on this vehicle, Theresa here at Firkins, you can reach me at 941-807-1165. This is a beautiful vehicle, and you'll only find it at Firkins.